Third grade parents, third grade students, welcome. Welcome to this upcoming school year. None of us knew exactly what to expect, but here we are. And I know some of us might be a little bummed we're not going to be in the classroom, or just wasn't what we were hoping or expecting, but here we are. And let's be honest, we have a chance with where we're at to praise our Savior. Today is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad, right? Something I love about our school is that we have great support. We have people willing to pray for one another, help one another. Same with our third grade classroom. That's something we always strive for. And to be honest, I know it's a little bit different with distance learning, but that's what I'm still asking for. I'm asking you to pray for yourself. Pray for your classmates. Pray, parents, please pray for each other. Please pray for your teachers. I promise you our teachers are going to be praying for you guys. And to be honest with you, I know you're not walking in a new third grade classroom, but just like you'd be walking into a new third grade classroom, there'd be things that are the same and things that are different. When we ended second grade last year with distance learning, there's going to be things that are the same and things that are different. Mrs. Rautenberg and I are going to do everything we can to teach you as well as we can. And I'm going to encourage you guys to reach out to myself and Mrs. Rautenberg for any questions you have. That goes for both parents and students. Please do not hesitate.
Hi, third graders and third grade families. It's time to start school again. I know you're probably still missing Miss Cody and not being able to say goodbye to her. I know I'm missing my third graders from last year and the fact that I never got to say goodbye to them. But hey, it's time to start another school year, and we're going to make the best of it. Our Savior Jesus is still with us, and we get to hear about Jesus' love every day. We're going to help each other out, and I am very excited to get to know you, the new third graders that are in our class. Mr. Poggle and I work together. We both are your third grade teachers. Here's the contact information for both Mr. Poggle and I so that you can reach out to us anytime you have any questions about anything. Both students and parents, feel free to contact us anytime.
One thing that's going to be the same are the paper homework packets. We're going to be asking you to do those well. Use your textbooks to help you out. The one thing that is going to be different are these things. These tablets that we're going to give to every last student, as well as the flash drives that go with it. This is school's property, and this is expensive school's property. Please be careful with it, but this is really a key, an amazing way to make distance learning so much better for the students and to be honest, especially for the parents here, because this is going to have all the teaching videos on it. It can be a little intimidating to use the tablet because it might be brand new to you. We're going to try to get you as much help as we can. Please don't hesitate to reach out with questions. It is going to take a little bit getting used to, but I really think after the first week of using it and testing it out and doing some things, you're really going to learn really how it is. And to be honest, the neatest thing about these is these have all the teaching videos right here on the flash drive. You can put it in and opens right up and it's really slick with the flash drive, with the teaching videos. Going to teach you all the content to get you ready for your homework. Please ask us with any questions that you have there, please. I'm really asking, though, for the parents, for the students, work together to keep this in a safe spot. If this gets broken or lost or anything, it is $165 to replace, and again, it is school property, and we're asking to get returned at the end of the year, along with the flash drive, and the flash drive is $15 as well. So please keep it in a safe spot. Always put in the same spot in the house, wherever that may be, and please only use it for school homework purposes.
So instead of coming to school and listening to the lessons at school in a classroom, you are going to have your lessons with that tablet. Where is that? Here it is. So the tablet is going to be like your teacher. This tablet is going to have teaching videos on it that both Mr. Poggle and I make. So you're going to listen to the lesson on the tablet, and then after that you're going to do your homework. That is going to be in a folder that you will be able to fill out with a pencil most of the time. Some of the assignments are actually going to be on the tablet.
Another thing I'm asking, this is more for the parents, but if you haven't signed up for that Remind app, and you know because you've been getting a lot of school texts through the Remind app, it's really the main way we're going to communicate. It's really a nice, slick way to get mass texts out to all the school parents, and you can also just do individual texts to the teacher and so on and so forth. So please give the school a cell phone number that we can contact through Remind, because it really is going to be a nice way that we do that. Another way we communicate, and please know this is more for the students, is we're going to have some Zoom meetings set up. Parents, again, please understand the Zoom meetings are really meant for the students, that we can get together, ask questions, but Mrs. Rumberg and I are going to have some times, a couple times a week, where we're going to do that. If you can make it on the Zoom meeting, we get to have a chance to talk with the classmates and ask questions and do some memory work and things like that. We'll let you know the times and give you the links and such and how to get there. But again, if there's a time that we set that doesn't work for you, let us know. We'll try to everything we can to get in contact with you and set up a time with you.
We are going to be doing Zoom times 2 times a week. Right now it's set on Tuesdays and Fridays. We are going to Zoom in the morning. Most of it's just for fun. The only business we have to take care of at the beginning is you will recite the memory work that's assigned for Tuesday and Friday. And you can also ask any questions that you have on any of your homework. But most of it will be sharing time, which is fun time. We ask, like, we'll have a joke day and everybody can share the jokes that they want to share and try and guess at each other's riddles. Or we'll share about our pets or something like that. We'll have a sharing time, get to know each other more, get to know the teachers more. So that'll be on Tuesdays and Fridays. We'll Zoom. It's not required, so if you're having trouble with your internet that day, don't worry about it. But it's just something to keep us united as a class, to get to know each other, and something to look forward to, hopefully.
The other main thing I want to talk to you guys about is the homework handing in. We're going to start off here on Mondays that we can drop off the homework, and that could be if you guys have things with the tablets, you can drop off the tablets. We can get you a new one with all the week's teaching videos on it, as well as the paper packets.
The first day that you will be picking up the tablets and the homework folders and a packet of other school supplies like glue and scissors and ruler. And the first time you will do this will be August 3rd, on Monday. And pick up everything you need for the week. And then the following week, Monday, you will come and return the homework. You get to keep the tablet, and you'll just get a new flash drive for the tablet that has the new lessons on it for the coming week. So every Monday will be drop off the old homework that you got finished and pick up the new homework, just like we were doing at the end of last year.
Get in the habit of getting a schedule, guys. I know you might not have to get up and get ready and get dressed and get in the car to get to school, but the best way to get into the school mode is to have a set schedule every day. Hey, every day at 8 is when you're going to get up, have breakfast. 8:30 you're going to start with Christ-Light, and after that is going to be math. Whatever it might be that works with you and your family's schedule, I highly encourage you to do that. And every Monday is going to be the time where we're going to ask you, the students, to remind your parents and have them drive you up and around. We're going to do this all with social distancing and everything safe. We're going to have you drive up and around campus, similar to fourth quarter last year, where you're going to hand off the paper packets and the homework, and you're going to get the new week's material. We're going to do everything we can to get out the information to remind you guys, but again, Remind app is going to be the most really the way we do most of our communicating. So if you can please sign up for that.
So you are a third grader now. I like to tell all the third graders that it is a big jump, really, from second grade. Kindergarten, first grade, and second grade are all considered the primary grades, which means kind of the little kid grades, just starting in school, learning the basics. Third grade, however, is a middle school grade. It's a big jump in the amount of responsibility that you have and the material that you'll learn in third grade. You're going to learn a lot of new things. Hopefully we'll be in the classroom sometime soon, but even with these videos, you'll be learning a lot of new things I hope you're excited about. We're excited to teach you. So along with distance learning and third grade really does come a lot of responsibility. Even more, I think, with distance learning than if you were in the classroom. For example, if you were in the classroom and you didn't have your homework done like you were supposed to, Mr. Poggle and I would say, I'm sorry, you can't go out for recess. You'll have to finish up your homework first, and then you can go out and play. Well, with distance learning, we can't make you stay in for recess. We can't tell you, don't go out and play until you've got your homework done. You have to make that decision for yourself. You have to tell yourself, I've got to get my homework done before I play every day, or before I take a break for lunch, or something like that. Something that you and your parents set up together, but it's a lot of responsibility on you. Another thing would be paying attention. In class, if we see that we're teaching a lesson, Mr. Poggle and I are trying to explain something to you, and you're not paying attention, well, then we say, we're teaching the lesson now. This is important. You need to listen. But we can't do that. Distance learning, if you're watching a video and you're not paying attention to the video and learning what we're teaching on the video, we really can't tell you to pay attention. So you're going to have to do that for yourself. And if you realize, oh my goodness, I didn't listen to anything on that video, you might have to start it over. So it's a big responsibility to just be a third grader and be responsible for learning for yourself, and not just getting away with anything you can get away with. So we're expecting a lot of you, but I know with the Lord's help and with your teacher's help and with your parents' help, you can do it. Excited for you to be a third grader. Also, if you don't understand something, usually in school, the teacher can see when they're looking at your homework that you're working on, say, no, I don't think you quite get this, and we can reteach it to you. But distance learning, we don't know if you understood it or not. So the responsibility is on you to call or have your parents call or text or set up a time where we can maybe FaceTime or Zoom or something so we can reteach it to you, which is no problem at all, but you have to make that decision whether you understood it or not. It's a lot for a third grader, but we know you can do it. At the end of the year, we had a different grading scale, but this coming grading scale, it will be the one that we're familiar with again. A's for the best grades and F's for the worst grades. So we'll be holding you to high standards, hoping that you will be able to succeed, which I'm sure you can, and do your best. We cannot wait to meet you, whether it is in person or hopefully before that. I would like to meet you if we could set up a Zoom or a FaceTime or something. I'm asking that you would give me a call. Again, we'll put the contact information up. And give me a call or give me a text. Set up a time where I can meet with you, your family. You can ask any questions you might have about the starting of school, and I will ask a few questions of you just to get to know you better. So I'm looking forward to getting to know you and helping you as a third grader this year.
Hey guys, let us know, myself and Mrs. Rumberg, if you have any questions. Please keep praying. We're going to be praying for you guys. And hey, Lord's blessings this school year as we work and learn together.